is going on? What's going on? So you really want to be a truck driver? Something you gotta put in your head. You really want to be a truck driver? Well, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 o'clock. I'm tired. And I'm broken down on 84 going westbound in Hart something. What's this place called? Connecticut. Oh man. And it's crazy. I think I broke down what was it? Let me see. When did I break down? Holy shit.
You have 69 new messages.
So we received your breakdown at 4:05? Shit. Alright, so it looks like it was 5 o'clock when I sent my breakdown. And it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Still, this idiot, these guys haven't showed up to freaking. And I've called road repair already. And they said they've been talking to these guys. I don't know who the heck they are, but some towing company. But of course they can't tow my trailer because they're locked. I need a new brake chamber. But this sucks, man. You want to be a truck driver, huh? This is what you gotta do. This is what you gotta deal with. And after they're done, I'm just gonna wait for my 10 hours. I have right now.
Home. Messaging. You are out of hours of service driving time.
8 hours. So it's exactly 8 hours. So I've been here waiting for 8 hours. So waiting for someone to come here and fix my truck for 8 hours. So 2 more hours and it's already my 10. And I have to start driving. But I don't know if I could do it. So I'm just going to have to call my fleet manager and tell him, hey, you know what? I'm going to have to take a little more of a nap because of the stupid road repair thing. These guys, whoever was supposed to fix my truck, and they didn't show up. Don't know why. Road repair does not know why. Yeah. So, yeah, this is something you gotta think about. You know, you don't get your beauty rest. No beauty rest here, man. I mean, sometimes you'll get an 8-hour sleep. Sometimes. But normally it's 5-6 hours. Sometimes 4 hours of sleep. Every once in a while you could get 8 hours. Shit. Yeah. Alright. I gotta. And it's freaking raining. Oh, sorry. It's freaking raining. Oh. Yeah. Hey, that's how freaking tired I am. And of course, you can't drive like this, man. When someone can't drive it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fucking go to sleep. Alright, guys. Peace out. I'll be talking to you guys later. You guys drive safe if you guys driving at this time. Peace.